Hi friends, today we are going to prepare a Semiya kesari. Before that, do subscribe my channel to get new more videos. Come, let's move how to prepare Semiya kesari. 250 gram Semiya, 200 gram sugar, 2 teaspoon ghee, half teaspoon elaichi powder, 50 gram cashew nuts. Heat a pan, add 1 teaspoon ghee and now put Semiya to roast. Roast it in a low flame. Now it turns slight brown color. Now we can transfer it into another plate. Add half teaspoon ghee on pan. Now add cashew nuts. Fry it till brown color. Roasted it with brown color. In a pan, we have added 2 cups of water. Let it comes into boiling point. Then we'll add Semiya in it. Let's wait for boiling point. Water is boiling. Now we can add Semiya in this water, boiling water. Let it cook for 2 minutes. We'll close this with one lid. Two minutes later, look at this. Semiya absorbs water. Now we can add sugar in this Semiya. Mix it well. Now add elaichi powder, that is cardamom powder. Stir it well. Now add food color. Add 1 teaspoon ghee. Later, let's see. Our Semiya kesari is ready. Now we can add roasted cashew nuts in this. Mix it well. Our Semiya kesari is ready now. Let's transfer it into another bowl. Our Semiya kesari is ready now. I hope you all enjoy this Semiya kesari recipe video. If you like this, please share this to your friends and enjoy the taste. If you want new videos from my channel, do subscribe and click on the bell icon to get more videos from this Sarita activities. Thank you. Enjoy the taste.